I can guarantee you your daddy would have never taught you. The grooming tips and tricks that I'm going to show you in this video are not only going to make you more attractive, more desirable to women, but this is stuff that you will only learn with experience. Only learn as a dude that actually takes care of their grooming. And me being that dude and having been that dude for the last like 5 years, I've learned so many hacks, so many tricks that I'm gonna teach my little boy, my little TMF one day, that I'm also gonna share with you today so you can be a desirable stud. Today, boys, I'm gonna give you 7 grooming tips that your dad would have never taught you. Let's go. Number 1. Grab a pumice stone and use it on your calluses. Look, I get it. You're probably a beast lifting a crap load of weight and putting it down. These calluses, they're your trophy. But when you're hooking up and making out with the girl, she doesn't want freaking sandpaper caressing her skin. She wants a strong, firm hand, but she wants something supple. She's a flower. So if you grab a pumice stone while you're in the shower, you can smooth out the calluses. You won't get rid of them completely, but they won't be as hard and rough on her skin. Number 2, wash your ass. Bro, this sounds so simple, but I promise you, like 90% of American men do not wash their ass crack. You either believe that just wiping it with dry toilet paper or the trickling water down your spine in the shower is more than enough, but that is the most disgusting thing you could ever do. You need to understand that feces comes out of there. And when you wipe, you're not really cleaning, you're smearing. So you're leaving all that residue behind. The minimum you could do is wash your butt in the shower. And if you really, really want to be hygienic, use wet wipes. Yo, I carry individually packed wet wipes. They're called One Wipe Charlies from the Dollar Shave Club. The great thing about them is that you can carry them anywhere, and anytime you go for a number 2, you use this as your final and last wipe to leave it back there refreshing and completely clean, completely sanitized. This is the move you should be doing. And let's be real, you would have already known this. You would have had the right tools if you would have checked out the Dollar Shave Club when I told you, yo, our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club, does it all. Like literally all. See, most people think the Dollar Shave Club is just shaving products, and while they do have that and they're killing it there, the Dollar Shave Club really is that one-stop shop for guys that want to be well groomed, guys that want to look handsome, because they give you every single tool you might need for your bathroom. Let me explain. The One Wipe Charlies, yeah, that's from the Dollar Shave Club. Razors, they got you covered. Shaving cream, they got you covered. Body lotion, got you covered. Hand lotion, they got you covered. Lip balm, they got you covered. Hair products, got you covered. Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant, cologne, fragrances. Literally every product that a man needs, they have. And the great part is that it gets delivered to your door. So what happens is you no longer have to be going to the department store to be worrying about your grooming products. They get delivered to your door at a rate that you choose. That way, you never have to worry about it, and you're always properly groomed. And that's the key, boys. Having the right tools is the first step to make sure you're grooming yourself correctly. And that's where so many men are lacking. So many men are not investing in their grooming products, making sure that they have quality products that actually work. And with the Dollar Shave Club, you get that, but at the lowest price possible, because they're cutting out the middleman. They send it directly to you, the consumer, and you get the best products possible. Look, boys, what I'm going to suggest you guys do is click the link down below, check out the Dollar Shave Club once and for all, and take their free quiz. It's an absolutely free quiz. It's super quick, but what the quiz is going to do is it's going to tell you what products you're lacking. What is it that you need in your bathroom so you're a well-groomed man? That's what you want to be, right? That's what I strive to be. And the Dollar Shave Club with this quiz is going to let you know exactly what you need. That way you can build your custom box and get the products that you need delivered to your door so you're always looking good. If you guys want to check out the Dollar Shave Club, you guys can go to the dollarshaveclub.com/fashion or click the link down below to get your first starter set for only $5. Good. If you guys want to check out the Dollar Shave Club, you can click the link down below, check out that quiz, and see why they're so great. Number 3, instead of using post-shave, use a moisturizer. See, most men think or have been taught that right after you shave that your skin's very irritated, you use some post-shave. The problem with this is that post-shave tends to evaporate really quickly and also is filled with a lot of harsh, strong chemicals that give you that burning sensation you feel that when your skin is at its weakest state can actually irritate it. Instead, you want to make a switch to a facial moisturizer. So as soon as you're done shaving, when your pores are open, your skin is damaged, this this is when you want to moisturize your skin. The moisturizer will penetrate your skin more deeply, hydrating your skin and locking in that hydration for a longer period. Number 4, you gotta understand that great cologne, even if it's the best smelling cologne, can smell like trash if it's applied incorrectly. So no, my young grasshopper. You will not be bathing in a bottle of Axe right before school. Not my family. You see, if you want a versatile scent, 5 sprays is all you need for any occasion, whether it's romantic or in the office. You're gonna do 2 behind the ear, 2, 1 for each wrist, and then 1 in the middle of your chest. That will create your personal bubble that you need, more than enough, so it's attractive when people are close to you, but not so strong that you're giving everybody headaches. Number 5. Sharpness of blades is more important than number of blades. Guys don't understand this. Most guys think that you need the latest and greatest 8-blade system of a razor to get the closest shave possible. That's not the case. The sharpness of the blade is what's most important. And most guys are using their 8-blade razor for like 2, 3, 4 weeks and not replacing that thing. After about a week and about a couple uses, those blades start dulling out. Compound that with the rusting and the humidity in your bathroom, and they're already dull. Now you're tugging and pulling your beard, which is causing micro abrasions and ingrown hairs to occur. This is why what's most important is having sharp blades. Even if it's only 2, replacing them every week will give you the sharpest blade possible to get the closest cut possible that won't have tugging and won't have pulling and will give you the best shave of your life. Number 6, this is for my young grasshoppers that can't grow a beard. Use a derma roller. Look, I get it. You're probably in your teens and you want a beard, but see, my son, I'm not gonna let him walk out with a little bit of peach fuzz here, a little bit of pubic hair. No. I'm gonna want him to have a whole locking beard. I want you to have the same thing, and the only way to do that is with the derma roller. You see, microneedling has actually been studied and proven to help with hair growth in the scalp. Where a lot of guys tried it on their face, and the same effect happens. Microneedling will help hair grow naturally from your face, making your beard look thicker. And finally, number 7, this is a concept I want you all to understand. This is what I'm gonna tell my little boy. I'm gonna be like, you see here, little boy, little TMF, little Jose, your grooming habits, they change your mindset. And that's important. You see, taking care of yourself is like taking care of a nice car. When you buy a nice car, you make sure that thing is always spotless, always looking its best. And that is just a value or a reflection of how much you cherish that new car. Well, you are 100 times more valuable than a car, and therefore should invest way more time and way more effort in your personal grooming and your personal hygiene, because that is just a reflection of how much you cherish yourself. So when you start doing all that, a mindset shift occurs in your head, and now you start valuing yourself more. Now you start feeling a little better. Now you start looking better, and guess what? Now you're an unstoppable stud because you're actually taking care of yourself. Boys, that's it for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, the Dollar Shave Club. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.